Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to hide your following list on Facebook. Yes, you can hide the following list of your Facebook so that nobody can see how many people or how many pages you are following. You can see here, here is 0 following. And if we go back to our Facebook profile, then you can see I am following 191 people and pages. For doing this, tap on your profile icon from the top right corner and then tap on the settings icon on the top. Here you will find profile setting. Tap on profile setting, then tap on privacy. From here you will find under your activity who can see the people, pages and list you follow. Tap on this. Set this to only me. I have already set this to only me. Then go back. Here we are back in our profile. Go to your profile icon and here you can see 191 is following. Then to check how it works or not, tap on the 3 dot and tap on view as. Then you can see how people will find your page, how people will look your page. Here you can see following is 0. By this way you can hide your following list on Facebook. Friends, that was our today's video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for being with the tutorial lab.